Hey there! Have you ever encountered a problem where you're trying to load a CSS file along with Bootstrap, but for some reason, your CSS file just refuses to work while Bootstrap is doing its thing flawlessly? It can be quite frustrating when something that should only take a few minutes ends up consuming days of your time. Now on to the solution. The key here is to ensure that your style sheet is linked correctly in the HTML. By making a simple adjustment to the link rel equals style sheet ref equals style.css, you are essentially telling the browser to look for the CSS file in a relative path within the directory structure. This change can often make all the difference in getting your CSS to work harmoniously with Bootstrap. In summary, by adjusting the ref attribute to include a relative path you can successfully link your CSS file to your HTML document and have it work alongside Bootstrap as intended. I hope this solution helps you overcome the frustration of your CSS not cooperating and allows you to style your web pages to your heart's content. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts on this video. Until next time, happy coding!